Hello everyone, today I have the privilege of speaking with Charl du Plessis, the General Manager for Energy Partners. So Charl, can you tell me a little bit about the partnership between SolarMD and Energy Partners and how it came about?
Yeah, thank you. It's really a privilege and an honor to be here today again, witnessing your new amazing facility that you've recently moved into. I think the partnership started quite a long time ago. We were exploring our first commercial industrial batteries at the time, and I think it was very important for us to partner with someone that we know are gonna walk the road with us, because we also invest in these battery energy storage systems ourselves. So it's very important to know that we have a bankable product that we know will be supported afterwards. And from a technical perspective, we also wanted something that's safe and that's affordable at the end of the day. So I remember the first client engagement that we had, and your CEO Kaluan, accompanied us, and with his help and his assistance, I think the client also just felt a lot. Just felt that it's going to be a bankable investment at the end of the day. So that's where it all started. I think since then there's been many projects together, and I think the product has spoken for itself.
Okay, thank you so much, Charl. And then can you also maybe share any specific projects that SolarMD played a crucial role that you can maybe think of that stands out to you?
Yeah, there are a few in different sectors in South Africa. I think the one for me that stands out is the double DC conversion system that we've recently deployed at Heidelberg Mall. It's a 3.16 megawatt hour battery with the SunGrow inverter product. But I think at the end of the day, during the commissioning and also the design, making sure it's compliant with various requirements, I think it was very valuable to have SolarMD as a partner. Sometimes, at midnight, supporting us during commissioning, also just with fault finding and making sure that we can satisfy at the end of the day the client's needs. So yeah, that one stands out for me. Another one that's been running for about 1.5 years now is the Kapalkor project, the 3.4 megawatt hour battery, grid-tied battery. One of our first ones. We also co-own the battery with the client. So I think that one, what is very satisfying is to see that the results and the savings are there that was promised originally. So that's ultimately where the rubber hits the road, is if you can actually see the results that you've promised up front. Modeling something on Excel is often easy, but realizing the savings afterwards with all the losses and with all the design parameters and the optimization and control of the battery, that is where it becomes very valuable.
And then also, as an EPC company such as Energy Partners, what are some of the biggest challenges and opportunities you're currently facing now as the market is shifting? Yeah,
I think at the moment, our clients in the commercial industrial space, they are realizing that installing embedded generation, specifically solar that we are involved in, there's a big need and a big value that energy storage can bring. So there's 4 applications in our industry. So it is arbitrage or load shifting, peak shaving or maximum demand control, increased self-consumption, so actually using all of the solar power that you generate in excess, you can store that excess into the battery. And at the end of the day, then diesel savings. And diesel savings nowadays, there's a lot of load curtailment and a lot of uninterrupted, unannounced interruptions, where a double DC conversion system like the Heidelberg Mall one becomes very valuable, because you can run uninterrupted on the load side. Those 4 applications we are seeing, but I think the one that stands out for us at the moment is the arbitrage and self-consumption opportunity. And I think, yes, load shedding is subsiding, but at the end of the day, with double-digit increases from Eskom side, these opportunities are only increasing daily. So to be honest with you, Rishka, at the moment, we're seeing an increase in demand, from our clients with regards to battery energy storage systems, and it's only escalating across various industries. I think the most important thing at the moment that we are seeing is that the product must be a quality product. It's not just the cheapest or the most cost-effective product that's available, that's going to be adopted by clients. It's going to be the product that has stood the test of time. It's going to be the product that has quality. But then at the end of the day, the energy management system that you pair with it. In Solar MD's case, they have a very smart battery management system, which is a key component of making sure that your battery performs as it's intended to. But I think at the end of the day, Energy Partners has a proprietary energy management system that we link with that, and that we ultimately control various loads in the client's load network, in its reticulation. We also are able to implement algorithms with regards to weather and the Eskom's push interaction or the API. And we are able to then optimize, the total energy consumption of the site. And I think that is going to become critical and key, especially to embedded generation in South Africa. And
So from an Energy Partners perspective, how do you stay at the forefront of ensuring that your projects are successful? What are some of the key skills that you have learned being in the industry that has really made EPB so successful?
Yeah, I think, for Energy Partners Power, specifically a division of Energy Partners, the most important aspect and the thing that we pride ourselves in is our engineering excellence. So I think on our side, clients sometimes get frustrated by the time it takes to, for the detailed design or the planning. But I think that is where a project fails or where it succeeds. And if you plan properly, it will succeed. So from our side, we've got, our internal professional engineering team who signs off on all our projects, who are involved. We have a peer review system where all our designs are peer reviewed. Our graduate engineers go through a very stringent training program where they, where they learn from past projects. And at the end of the day, it comes down to detailed design and planning.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. There you have it, everybody. Charl du Plessis from Energy Partners.